Hello everyone, I'm Crown Princess. Welcome back to my channel. This is a random recommendation video, and these kind of videos will show up more often in my channel because I have a lot of free time because of the lockdown and I am trying different things. So in today's random recommendation video, I am recommending 5 books that I have personally read and been inspired in a positive manner. So let's roll. The first book, ये है डिजिटल मिनिमलिज्म. यस, डिजिटल मिनिमलिज्म ऑन लिविंग बेटर विथ लेस टेक्नोलॉजी. सो मैंने ये बुक इसलिए ख़रीदा था क्योंकि अ यूट्यूबर आई वॉच नेम्ड टेलर, आई गेस, या शी इज़ अ LA based YouTuber. She recommended to read this book, which is very good for our brain, which we are using to consume a lot of social media stuff these days that is damaging our mind. And she recommended कि ये book पढ़ो because ये बहुत अच्छा है. It talks about what not. So basically I haven't read this book completely, but I'm in the process of reading this book. और जो मैं पढ़ रही हूँ उससे मुझे ये समझ में आ रहा है कि this book talks about how can we establish balance between online life and offline life. Yes, and this balance is very necessary and it helps us to step by step like how we should do it. Yeah, and it shows us, it explains us basically. So minimalism in the digital world, this book talks about that, and I'm reading this book right now. Now the second book that I am recommending is my all-time favorite and my favorite book in the whole world other than the Bible, and this is The Winning Attitude by John C. Maxwell. तो ये बुक मैंने ख़रीदा था अपने स्कूल के बुक फेयर में, या सिस्टर लोग बुक बेचने आती थी. एंड आई डेंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट दिस बुक, बट क्योंकि द विनिंग एटीट्यूड ऐसा लिखा हुआ था और उस टाइम मैं चाहती थी कि मैं जीवन में बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल रहूं, जबकि मैं 7th क्लास में थी. येस, एंड आई गॉट दिस बुक फ्रॉम देयर. एंड पहला टाइम मैं जब ये बुक पढ़ी थी तो आई रिमेंबर आई हैड अ वेरी नेगेटिव एटीट्यूड टूवर्ड्स लाइफ, बट I keep reading this book again and again, and basically after every 3 years maybe I read this book and I find like I have improved positively in terms of my attitude. Yes, that is what I think about this book. and इसमें मैंने एक चीज़ लिख के रखा है जो मैं आपको पढ़ के सुनाती हूँ. असफलता एक चुनौती है, स्वीकार करो, क्या कमी रह गई देखो और सुधार करो, जब तक सफल ना हो नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम, संघर्षों का मैदान छोड़ मत भागो तुम, कुछ किए बिना ही किसी की जय जयकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. सो इट इज़ अ कोट बाय अमिताभ बच्चन्स फादर. ही वॉज अ कवि, इट्स हिज कविता. एंड आई वॉज सच अ ब्राइट किड, intelligent kid when I was a kid. Yeah, when I was in school, I am nowhere as intelligent as I used to be when I was in school. Yeah, but I have grown confident since school. And मैं ये बोल रही थी कि आजकल जो ये बुक्स नहीं चलते, सीक्रेट, द लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन, ये वैसा टाइप से बुक है, बट विथ अ क्रिश्चियन पर्सपेक्टिव, नॉट लाइक बस लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन के बारे में बात करता है. इट टॉक्स अबाउट एटीट्यूड, हाउ अ गुड एटीट्यूड, अ पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड इन्फ्लुएंसेस आवर लाइफ, एंड आई एम कन्विंस्ड बाय दैट, एंड आई ट्राई प्रैक्टिसिंग positive attitude in my life. No matter what happens, I try keeping a positive attitude, and it is a great book. I recommend all of you to specially read this book. Yeah, it's good to feed your mind with such amazing books, and this is one of those. Now the third one, moving on. This is the book 13 Steps to Bloody Good Wealth. Yes. So when I joined my job, then I am into savings and all, and I was watching a lot of YouTube videos related to finances, and somewhere I got this recommendation, 13 Steps to Bloody Good Wealth, and I bought it, and I really enjoyed reading it because it talks about creating financial independence other than your 9 to 5 job also. How can you invest in business other than what you do for your living? It talks about building assets that will make money for you rather than you making money for someone else. So it's a great book. If you are in your early 20s or late 20s and you are a working professional, you must read this book in order to gain some financial knowledge. Yes. Now the other book. This book is called Rich Dad, A Poor Dad by Robert T. जो भी है Kiyosaki, and he's a very famous man. इनका YouTube channel भी है and मैं बहुत देखती हूँ. And he talks about various people who are rich, yeah, and what kind of attitude do they have. It talks about the difference between a rich person and a non-rich person, and the only difference it talks about is their attitude. Yes, the attitude plays a huge role. And richness, he talks about worldly richness, but yes, we all know like richness is much beyond just worldly richness, and it talks about attitude, keeping a positive attitude, keeping a rich attitude. And this is a great book even if you are not into business and all, but I think just for an attitude updation you should definitely check out this book. Now the last book in my list is, trust me, I have read it only once and I have been hugely inspired, and this book is an autobiography or the story of my experiments with truth by Mahatma Gandhi. Till I read this book, I saw Mahatma Gandhi in a very different light, because हमको स्कूल में फादर ऑफ द नेशन यही सब बताया जाता है और सब अच्छी बातें बताई जाती है, पर इसमें इन्होंने अपने चरित्र के बारे में ऐसी बातें की है, मतलब अपना कैरेक्टर डेवलपमेंट के बारे में जो बातें मैंने इसमें देखी कि हाउ व्हेन ही वाज अ किड ही वाज जस्ट अ नॉर्मल किड, शाय इंट्रोवर्टेड काइंड ऑफ पर्सन, बट ही बिकॉज ऑफ हिज विल पावर he did something because of which he is respected not only in India but in the world. So when you will read this book, you will definitely get the vibe, like even if you are a simple person, you can make an impact in the world. Because literally जब मैंने ये book पढ़ा तो I thought गांधी जी ने different light, क्योंकि इसमें कुछ बहुत ही महान चीज़ें तो एंड में होंगी बुक के ऑफ कोर्स, बट जो स्टार्टिंग इनका इतना हम्बल रहा है, and it's such a great book. You must try reading autobiographies of great people. Yeah, so that was it. These are the 5 books that I have read and really enjoyed. So yes, these are my recommendations. You must check it out अगर आप books पे हैं, into books अगर आप हो तो. And if there are some recommendations for me, comment down below. And thank you for watching my video. Hope you subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye. Take care.